Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I just have a recap for you. Some projects that I worked on with Ebony on my live on Tuesday here on my channel. So Ebony was working on her rosettes, her chunky rosettes. They're gorgeous. If you guys missed the video or the live, check out the replay. It'll be in my my playlist for my lives. So this is what I worked on. Let me show you. So this is the Kscraft's butterfly jumbo paperclip banner. That's what that is. And it comes with 3 pieces. You get the banner part with the butterfly base, and then you get 2 layering pieces. So I played with that. I also layered on her other set. This is the Elegant Butterfly Embossed. Let me show you what they look like. So this is the other butterfly I played with. I didn't use this part. I used the base for this one, the layering piece, and then the body for the butterfly. And I just layered it on top. All right, and then I also used these little mini butterflies. I don't know if they're Kscrafts. This was gifted to me by Gina Supnett. She's G-Dog on Instagram and on YouTube. And I layered these 2 pieces together. So let me show you what the paperclip looks like. Oh yeah, and I also used some of the sentiment stickers from Dollar Tree. These are some old stickers. I'm still working through it, guys. Also use some of these flowers I received from BB from her Candy Cane Lane. I thought they were beautiful. So yeah, there's the mini butterfly right here. Here's the Dollar Tree sticker. And here's the paper clip. This layer right here, I cut this out twice to cover the back and also the front. And then here's the layering piece. So I use these 2 pieces. And then I didn't use the body. Let me show you. Yeah, I did not use this one, which is their top layer for the butterfly. Like that. I used the other, actually I think this one. Yeah, this one goes with the other set. So this one only comes with 2 pieces, the layered and the banner part. These are also Kscrafts. I don't remember the name of it, but I cut a bunch from to build my stash, and I have them here. So I could just pull. I think I need to re-up on the green. But I used 3 colors. I used the white glitter, I used the gold, and the green cricket cardstock right there. This is the layering piece I told you about. That's the Elegant Butterfly Emboss. That's this right here. Look at how pretty that looks. And then you have the mini butterfly, which is this one right here. This one. So really, really pretty, easy. I cut this one with the vellum, and you can see the pieces. It just brings this butterfly to life. Life, life, life. So there you go. I love the bling in the center of these flowers. There's a flower down here. The only problem, I made a mistake. I should have turned the paper clip around. So here is the paper clip. Whoops, I can get it on there. So it goes from left to right. If you were putting this in a notebook or something, yeah, it's not gonna work if you put it in a notebook. So that's what it looks like. So I have the paper clip facing the wrong way, but that's okay. We'll figure it out next time. So I made 3 of these butterfly paperclip banners. You don't even have to use the paper clip, actually. If you want, you can just use the tabs and string it on some ribbon or something. Actually, let me see if I can get this off the paper clip. Actually, you could get it off the paper clip, Eileen. There you go. And then turn the paper clip the right way. Let's see if I can put it back on. Let's take my time and swing this around. There we go. And there we just flipped the paper clip. That is perfect. Now it goes from right to left. Perfect. Yes, please. Imagine putting that on the front of your journal. That would be beautiful. So fancy. And if you think this is not sturdy, the little leaves on the side, we could use some acetate behind it just to make it sturdy. But you can flatten this. Don't be scared, because everything can be refluffed, right? And so now we have one from the right to the left, and then another left to right. Like so. Yeah. Look at these paper clips. But like I said, you can also make these into the banners. Like, you don't have to put them on the jumbo paper clip. Right? And then I'm going to take this one off and turn my paper clip around. And go this way. Go in and just go, you know, slowly so you don't mess up your paper clip. There we go. And now we got another one. Right to left. And if you like it left to right, that's fine. Just put it the way you want it. But there you go. That's what the butterfly, jumbo butterfly paper clip looks like. Pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So go ahead, check out Kscraft. She has many butterfly dice that you can combine, use them together, and they make a gorgeous little embellishment. So, and like I said, Ebony was working on wands. So can you imagine that butterfly sitting on a beautiful, one of her beautiful chunky wands? Oh my God. Gorgeous. That is just perfect. All right. Thank you all for watching again. And if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and join the Crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell right there. And that will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps my little channel to grow. And I hope to see you all on the next Crafty video or live. Bye.